Well, the question says, given the following quadratic sequence, -2, 0, 3, 2, etc., and then 2.1.1 says write down the value of the next term of the sequence. Okay, we can count the number of the terms here are like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want the fifth term. Okay, and I'll write here question 2.1. 2.1.1, we are looking for T5. All right, I'm gonna write the terms here. The terms are like -2, 0, 3, 7. Okay, now when we look at the question, we need to consider the fact that the question, the sequence here is a quadratic sequence. Quadratic sequence implies that it has the second difference is constant. Sorry, the second difference of the terms is constant. So let's find the first difference here. D1, 0 minus 2 makes 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, that's the first difference. Now the second difference will be, we can see 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is also 1. Now, it means that there is another difference here. A number, okay, because the constant difference must, the second difference must be constant. So here the difference must be 1. Okay, meaning a number minus 4 will be 1, and the number is 5. Okay, now this also implies that a number, this number here, T5, okay, that's what we're looking for. On rest the T5 is what we're looking for. The difference between T5 and 7 is 5. This means that T5 is 12. Okay, this will make T5 equal to 12. So therefore, T5 is equal to 12. Okay, because 12 minus 5. In other words, we can just do 7 plus 5, and this is equal to 12. All right. Now the following question is question 2.1.2, and the question says determine an expression for the nth term of the sequence. All right. As I said, I'm gonna write here question 2.1.2. As I said, that as it is given that this is a quadratic sequence, we need to have all the properties of the quadratic sequence. I'm going to list them. First of all, the quadratic sequence is given by Tn equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, where a, for instance, where the second difference is equal to 2a. Okay, what else? Another properties like 3a plus, I prefer to write them here. The four other formulas, I'm gonna write them here. We do know that a equal to the second difference divided by 2, and then we also do know that 3a plus b must be equal to the first difference. Okay, so if I say the first difference is not, it won't really make sense. I will say T2 minus T1. Okay, that makes more sense. So now we can use this information to work out the values of a, b, c. Oh, one also I know that a plus b plus c is equal to T1. So we're going to use these formulas to find Tn. Now let's start with a. Okay, the fact that a equal to the second difference divided by 2, this means that a will be equal to a half. Okay, because you have in the value of a is just a half. So we know a is a half. Now let's find b. If we have a, we can substitute, because b, we have like 3a plus b equal to T2 minus T1, right? So this will mean that 3A plus B equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is over here. We did it here. T2 minus T1 is 2, because this is like T2 and that's T1. Okay, T2 minus T1 equal to 2. So this is equal to the value of 2, and then A is now 1/2. Now we can use this. I can move my board over here. This means that 3/2 plus B equal to 2. So if I move the 3/2 over, we have left with B equal to 2 minus this 2 minus 3/2 is equal to 1/2 also. So is equal to 1/2. So now we can also do A plus B plus C equal to T1. Okay. Now that we have A, B, we can substitute the values of A is 1/2. Okay. B is also 1/2. And then T1 is equal to -2. So we have like A plus B plus C equal to T1 -2. Now 1/2 plus 1/2 makes 1 plus C equal to -2. This means that C will be equal to -2. Okay, and I think I need some space, so I can write like this. This means C will be equal to -2 minus 1. Therefore, C is equal to -3. Then, so we can then, once that, because we find A, B, C, we can then substitute that. Therefore, Tn will be equal to A n squared. A is 1/2, so 1/2 n squared. Okay. Plus Bn, so B is 1/2 n, plus C, C is -3, so -3. So this is the formula for, this is the Tn formula. Okay, we can also solve this problem differently, but I prefer this one because this seems most really straightforward. So I prefer to do just the way I did here. To work out the formula for each, the coefficients and the constant term C. Thank you.